Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to create subpages in OneNote. Let's begin. As you can see, I already have a few pages created here with different country names. For example, we've got Europe at the top. Now let's say I want to make Spain a subpage under Europe. To do that, I'll simply right-click on Spain and select Make Subpage. Now let's go a level deeper. I've got Barcelona under Spain. Since it's already within the hierarchy, I can right-click it again and choose Make Subpage. That turns it into a sub-subpage. You can also promote pages back up if you want. Just right-click and choose Promote Subpage. Another way to do this is by dragging. If I take a page and drag it slightly to the right, it becomes a subpage. Drag it again under another subpage, and it goes one level deeper. You can create multiple layers this way. Now, when I click on the main page, like Europe, you'll notice a small arrow next to it. If I click that arrow, the subpages collapse neatly under it. This makes everything so much more organized and easier to read. And that's it. That's how you can quickly create, manage, and organize subpages in OneNote. Thank you for watching.